This is my Minn Kota Riptide 55 54-inch shaft Minn Kota that I've mounted on my RXTX. I have fabricated the mount, which is down there, and powder coated it black. The bracket is made from 6mm stainless steel. My wiring goes through the front there, and I have wired it into a 50 amp AGM with the power cable running through the front, as you can see there. I have gorilla framed the 50 amp AGM into place, and it sits there perfectly. And I've tried it out the other day, jumping waves, and it hasn't moved 1 inch, and it seems to be all good. What I do is that I have a CTEC that I can charge it up, and what I'm going to do is put another lead on there with an AGM Anderson plug, and I'll connect it to the main battery, which comes from here, comes through there, comes from there, which is here. It is here. So when it does run flat, I can charge it as I go along. So 50 AGM is fine. The reason why I went to an AGM over a lithium is mainly because of the weight. The bracket and the Minn Kota is quite heavy on one side, and I didn't really want the ski to be tipping on its side or leaning on its side at rest. So with that 50 AGM, it's actually offset the balance perfectly. Yeah. The only thing I will say though is driving it out on the sea, it tends to be a little bit front heavy, and any side wave will tend to sway the boat either or, and you have to offset it with your weight. But other than that, on a flat surface, it runs perfectly. You don't even notice any difference. When you actually fabricate the mount, as you can see there, there's a lot of mucking around to get it sitting perfectly to where you want it. And also, as the shaft comes down, mine comes down to here, and there's probably about, I don't know, 10mm gap, which is fine. And you don't want it too far forward, mounted too far forward, otherwise you can't reach the lever to release it. And the lever here, I mean, I can just reach that lever there, bending over out at sea, to release the prop to bring it back up. What I do is I'll use a rope and this thing here with a Velcro strap, and I strap that to the head, power head, over here like this, and when it's down I just bring it up with a rope. It just makes my job a lot easier. Thanks.